I was constantly worried that there was going to be something catastrophic that happened with the printers. Having the VP700, I'm so relieved. I feel like I can trust that it is going to print the way it needs to print, and if we need any help, we can get it really easily.
Penumbra is a medical device company, and we manufacture catheters, engine pumps, coils. We help patients who have had a stroke, they have blood clots, an aneurysm that needs to be filled.
The way I've heard it described is fancy slinkies, fancy straws that suck clot out of the body, fancy slinkies that help fill aneurysms to keep them from rupturing.
Prior to using the VP700, we were using a toner-based printer. Printing 3 million labels a year, it just wasn't really meeting our capabilities in terms of the quality that we wanted, the time that was spent printing on it.
We were super frustrated with our process. Labels and labeling are the #1 reason for recall in the medical device industry, because it is so important that a doctor, a nurse, a technician knows exactly what they're grabbing off the shelf. If it's mislabeled, it could lead to all sorts of bad things. So having correct labeling is hugely important for medical devices especially. We looked at 8 different options of inkjet printers, and we landed on the VP700 from VIPColor because it had no moving parts in its print head. It was intuitive. Loading the paper, the label stock is intuitive. You press and hold, and it takes it from you and it loads.
The first label would look like the 300th label that we printed. That was something that was really important to us, especially because we make the production builders do 100% inspection, which is a little bit of a daunting process. And so with more consistency, we're able to have a better inspection as well and take time off their hands and a lot of stress off their hands.
And print at double the speed. We print at 6 inches per second. You can go all the way up to 12 inches per second. That's actually almost too fast for us. We tried it once and we're like, oh my goodness, so fast.
At this company, I mean, even the people that are reviewing our documents, even the people that have been helping us through this project, like this is something they've been so excited for. It's something that almost every single person at the company knows that we're doing, because this is not a problem that's a secret. Like even the highest people up at the company have said how excited they are about this. So yeah, I would say it was a very big problem.
I would 100% recommend VIPColor and the VP700 to other companies.
Not only is it extremely easy to use, it's extremely easy to teach people to use. The customer service from VIPColor has been astounding.
The quality of the print is pretty remarkable based on what we had looked at before. I would recommend it to anybody.